A right angle triangle is a triangle with one of the angles 90 degree. Let angle B is 90 degree. Then basically the length CB is known as base and length BA is the perpendicular and length AC is the hypotenuse. Then we know the Pythagoras theorem, which we would be using in the entire right angle triangles, that is hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. You can also call this perpendicular as base if this has been put on the base, and the base will become perpendicular. But the Pythagoras theorem will remain as it is. Now, what are the important properties of right angle triangle based on which question may be designed? We will take up this one by one. Suppose ABC is not a right angle triangle. ABC is an obtuse angle triangle. Means one of the angle is greater than 90 degrees. ABC is an obtuse angle triangle. Then, suppose if I drop a perpendicular from A which met the extended CB at D, then what kind of relationship we can find between the three sides of the triangle? Let's try to identify that. Okay. Now we can see that ADC is a right angle triangle. ADC एक right angle triangle है. So AD square plus DC square is equals to AC square. लिखा जा सकता है. Now DC is actually DB plus BC. I can write this is DB plus B into C whole square minus DB square equals AC square minus AB square. AC square equals AB square plus BC square plus twice BC into DB. If ABC is an obtuse angle triangle, then this property related to the three sides will hold good, where this additional side will also come into picture. Let us drop a perpendicular from A on base BC, that call is D. So the first equation I can derive with help of triangle ABD, that is AD square plus now I need to convert this into format of B and C if possible. Now what is B and C? Now BD plus CD is B into C. So this will be AB square plus BC square minus twice BD into BC AC square. In case of acute angled triangle, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square minus twice BD into BC. Suppose ABC is a right angle triangle, right angled at B. D is any point on AB and E is any point on CD. Any point. AE is joined and AE and CD are joined. Then prove that AE square plus CD square equals to AC square plus DE square. Line segment DE is also joined. So left hand side is AE square plus CD square, which is actually equals to AB square plus BE square plus BD square plus BC square. Now we need AC square, which is equals to AB square plus BC square. Now you can see AB square plus BC square है हमारे पास, which can be written as AC square. Now we have BE square plus BD square. BE square plus BD square is nothing but DE square plus DE square. Proved. So, in a right angle triangle, D and E are any point on the two sides AB and BC respectively. AE and DC are joined. Then AE square plus CD square is equals to AC square plus DE square. Right angled at C. This is A, this is B, this is C. Let the line segment BC is equals to A units, CA is equals to B units, and line segment AB is equals to C units. From point C, a perpendicular is dropped on line segment AB. Let's call it CD. And the line segment CD is equals to length P. Then we have got two things which we can prove and we can try to remember it with help. First is C into P is equals to A into B. And the next one, 1 by P square is equals to 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. Pause the video and try to prove it. Let us see triangle ABC and triangle ADC. We have got a 90 degree here. With blue lines, I'll try to make this similar. 90 degree. Angle A is common. If two angle matches, then automatically the third angle will match when we have two triangles. So in triangle ABC and ADC, 90 degree matches, angle C and here angle D is 90 degree. Angle A is common to both, then the remaining angle B is equal to the remaining angle ACD. Now that means that these two triangles are similar. Similar triangles. And we know in similar triangles, the corresponding sides are proportional to each other. Corresponding sides means sides opposite to the equal angles. So to this 90 degree, side opposite to this 90 degree is AB, that is C, upon side opposite to this 90 degree is AC, which is B. This must be equals to, now side opposite to this common angle A in the bigger triangle is A, and side opposite to this common angle A in the smaller triangle ADC is P. Now from this what we get is A into B is equals to C into P. देखो, P equals to AB by C. That means P square C square equals to A square B square. Now C square is equals to A square plus B square. So P square into A square plus B square equals to A square B square. ठीक? Or I can write 1 upon P square into A square plus B square equals 1 upon A square B square. 1 upon P square is A square plus B square upon A square B square. That is 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. 1 by P square is 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. That means what? Suppose ABC is an equilateral triangle, all sides same. From one of the vertex, altitude is drawn on one of the side. Obviously, this will be also the median of the triangle, and this is altitude, that is 90 degrees. We need to prove that 3AB square or any side equals 4AD square. Fine. Now, this particular altitude is also the angle bisector of the equilateral triangle. The angle bisector, the median, the altitude of an equilateral triangle are all same. And if this is an angle bisector, with help of similar triangle property, I can say AB by AC is equals to BD by CD. Four AD square plus AB square equals to 4AB square. Multiplying both sides by 2, therefore 3AB square equals to 4AD square. ABC is any triangle. ABC is just a triangle. ABC. From A, we have dropped a perpendicular on BC, meeting BC at point D. Then, can we prove this? AB square plus CD square, AB square plus CD square equals to AC square plus BD square. And if we can remember this as a property, it will be of great help. Blue line segment and orange line segment. if I bring this AC square here, AC square plus BD square equals AB square and CD को इधर ले जाते हैं plus CD square. Hence proved. ABC is a triangle, any triangle. O is any point inside the triangle, anywhere inside the triangle. From O, I've dropped perpendicular on the three sides. Let me call it OD, OE, and OF. Then, look at the chain. AF, then BD, and then CE, and then the remaining part. FB, CD, EA, and the relationship would be AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equals to FB square plus BC square plus EA square. Let's try to prove this. अगर हम ध्यान दें इस इक्वेशन का राइट हैंड साइड आर सेम, दैट मीन्स दिस सेट is equals to this set. Again, in these two set, OF is common or is on the both equation. OD is there, OE is there. That means the balance on left hand side is equals to balance on right hand side. That is AF square plus BD square plus CE square equals to FB square plus CD square plus EA square. Try to remember this as a property. But before remembering, do it once again and try to keep that into your head. This time, I have a rectangle. A, B, C, D. And O is any point inside the rectangle. If I join all the vertices with this point O, then OB, look as if DB is a diagonal. Just first करो कि DB is a diagonal. Then OB square plus OD square is equals to OA square plus OC square. चलिए फटाफट से let us prove this. Now, OF square plus FB square and OF square plus CF square is equals to OC square, which is equals to right hand side. A square plus B square is equals to C square plus D square. Now try to remember this as property. Any side, or let's say side BC, is trisected. Trisected means divided into three parts. Trisected at D means BD is 1/3 of BC. And AD is joined. Then 9 times AD square is equals to 7 times AB square. 9 times AD square is equals to 7 times AB square. Pause the video and try to solve it yourself. (28a square). Let's find the ratio of AD square by AB square. AD square is 28a square and AB square is 36a square. A square cancel. 4 7 times 28, 4 9 times 36, which gives me what? 9 AD square equals to 7 AB square. DB and AC join. Prove that AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square equals to AC square plus DB square. Sum of squares of all sides of rhombus is equal to sum of squares of the diagonal of the rhombus. All sides are equal in case of rhombus. If I call it X or A, whatever, you need to just prove that 4x square equals to sum of diagonals square. D1 square plus D2 square. Try it, and I hope that you will do it these things again, and then we'll try to remember these as properties without proving. Never ever try to ratify them. वो रटना आपके कोई काम नहीं आएगा. आप हमेशा सम सॉल्व करते समय गड़बड़ी करेंगे. So it's always suggested, whatever property you are trying to learn, try to learn with proof. देखो सेकेंड टाइम आपको प्रूफ करने की कभी भी जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन फर्स्ट टाइम जरूर इसको प्रूव करना चाहिए टू हैव सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस कि नाउ whatever question will be asked related to that 90 degree, we would be able to solve it. So on this note, I'm Mohit Jain signing off from MJ's Maths and Stats. I'll see you soon. Thank you.